What's up everyone, Ghostface here, and today I'm going to show you how to search for aliens from your PC. So everyone knows what is SETI, yes? Yes. So they released a project called SETI at Home, and you can be the one to help to come in contact with alien overlord. So let's get started. So first thing to do is to download software named Boink. Then when you install it, you will get this. So we will go add project, and then find SETI at Home. Next, so create account here, then it will take you to this website where you can set your name and country. Then you can find a team and team up with people with similar interests. So that's basically everything from your side. Here you can show graphics. Okay, there you see. I'm totally scanning the universe. So let me explain you how this works. You get a part of a sky to process, and then when it's finished, you send data back to SETI. So that is it. Good luck with first contact.